In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your first product to Shopify in 60 seconds. Quick and easy tutorial, #Shopify 2025. Let's jump right in. First, open your Shopify admin and head to Products, then Add Product. This brings up the new product page where you'll enter the essentials. Start by typing a clear, concise product title. Think of what your customer would search for. Use the main keywords and keep it readable. Next, move to the description and type a short, helpful summary. Highlight what it is, who it's for, key features, and any must-know details like care instructions or sizing notes. Keep sentences simple so it's easy to scan. Now add visuals. Click Upload new to add your product photos or videos. Choose high-resolution images with good lighting and a clean background. Start with a main image that shows the full product, then add close-ups for texture or important details. You'll see some fields highlighted as you work. Go ahead and type in the relevant information for your product wherever prompted. If you see a product category or status field, choose what best fits so Shopify can help organize and display it properly. Click into the price area and enter the amount you want to charge. Make sure it matches your currency and includes your desired margin. If you run promotions later, you can use compare at pricing, but for now just set a solid everyday price. Next, click on the SKU field and type a unique identifier for this product. It can be any format that makes sense for you. Just keep it consistent so you can track inventory and orders without confusion. Click Country of Origin and select where the product was manufactured. This helps with shipping rules and duties, especially if you sell internationally. If your product comes in variations, click Add options like size or color. For this example, choose fabric as the option name. Then click to add the option values that apply. Think of the materials your product actually uses. Add as many as you need, selecting each one as it appears. When you're done, click Done. Shopify will create variants automatically for each value, and you can always fine-tune images and pricing per variant later. Finally, click Save at the top right. Give it a moment to process, and you're all set. Your first product is in your store. That's it. You've added a product quickly and correctly. If you want, preview it on your storefront to make sure images, pricing, and options look perfect.